Hey kids! Today we're going to learn some fun ways to solve single-digit addition problems. Learning addition is super important because we use it every day. Whether we are adding up toys or slices of pizza, addition helps us understand how many things we have all together. Are you ready to have some fun learning about addition? I know I am. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to learn addition is by using our toys. Toys make learning fun and interactive. They help us visualize numbers and understand concepts better. Let's say we have 2 blue toy cars and we want to add 3 red toy cars. This is a great way to practice counting and addition. First, we count out 2 blue cars. 1, 2. It's important to count slowly and clearly. Then we count out 3 red cars. 1, 2, 3. Notice how we keep track of each car as we count. Now let's count them all together. This helps us see the total number of cars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting out loud helps reinforce the numbers in our minds. We have 5 cars total. Isn't that amazing? We started with 2 blue cars and added 3 red cars to get 5. See how easy that was? Learning can be fun and exciting when we use our favorite toys. You can use your toys to add all sorts of things. Try using different toys like blocks, dolls, or even stuffed animals. The possibilities are endless, and each time you practice, you'll get better at counting and adding. So grab your toys and start counting today. A number line is like a special road trip for numbers. Imagine it as a magical path where numbers can travel and meet each other. It's a fantastic tool that helps us understand math in a fun and interactive way. We can use it to help us add, subtract, and even understand more complex math concepts. It's like having a map that guides us through the world of numbers. Let's say we want to add 2 plus 4. This is where our number line adventure begins. We start at number 2 on our number line, which is like our starting point on this journey. Then we hop forward 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each hop is like taking a step forward on our adventure. Look, we landed on number 6. This is our destination. That means 2 plus 4 equals 6. It's like solving a puzzle and finding the treasure at the end. Number lines make adding a fun adventure. They turn learning math into an exciting journey where every step counts and every number has a place. Our hands can be super helpful when learning to add. They are like our very own built-in calculators. Isn't that amazing? We can use our fingers to solve math problems and make learning fun and easy. Let's try adding 3 plus 4 using our fingers. It's a simple and fun way to understand addition. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, hold up 3 fingers on one hand. Take a look at those 3 fingers. Can you wiggle them? Great job. Now hold up 4 fingers on the other hand. Look at those 4 fingers. Can you wiggle them too? Awesome. Now let's count all of your fingers up together. This is where the magic happens. Start with the 3 fingers on one hand and then add the 4 fingers on the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you count along with me? Let's do it one more time to make sure we got it right. We have 7 fingers up, so 3 plus 4 equals 7. Isn't that cool? You just did some awesome math using your fingers. Give yourself a high five for such awesome finger counting. You did a fantastic job. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a finger counting pro. High five. Did you know that singing can help us learn addition? There are so many fun songs out there that teach us how to add. Let's learn one together. Wasn't that fun? Singing about addition helps us remember our numbers and makes learning fun. Playing games is my favorite way to learn, and there are so many games that can help us practice addition. We can play board games, card games, or even games on the computer. Playing games is a super fun way to practice our addition skills without even realizing we are learning. Great job, kids! Keep practicing these fun methods and you'll be an addition expert in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Remember, learning is an adventure, so keep exploring and have fun. Until next time, bye.